Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 244. We start with this box. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 6. I don't see any other help, so 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help, so 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got the 2 here and the 3 here, so this is our 4, 3, 2. That 4 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6 and this 6. For this box now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. No help here. 1, 6, 9. 1 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 2 here and the 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 2, 4. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got the 2 here and the 8 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 3, 5. With that one, we can get rid of this one. That means the only place our 1 can be in this box now is here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 6, 7. So now if we look at this row, the only place the 9 can be is here, and that 9 makes this our 6, which makes this our 7, 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this top row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 1, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.